Analysts are saying not to trust this Bitcoin rally, and I'll tell you why. Aave is inching towards having a stablecoin, and Cardano's Vasil Hard Fork is delayed again. Here's your Altcoin Buzz news. Hi, I'm Natalie and welcome to Altcoin Buzz. We bring you the latest crypto updates for your trades and investments, and we keep you in the loop with regular crypto news, deep dives, and technical analysis videos. So make sure you are liked, subscribed, and notified when we drop our latest content. And you can also check out Altcoin Buzz Access for more up-to-date crypto research. You can click the link in the description below. Just keep in mind that this is not financial advice. So let's dive into today's headlines. Bitcoin has hit 6-week highs in its latest bull run from this week's US federal inflation and recession announcements. But we might be getting faked out. Yes, BTC has been able to cross into $24,000 territory, and the token could be closing the month with 20% in gains. But the reality is that analysts are not trusting this bull run and say that this price action is only for the short term before Bitcoin gets the rug pulled out from under it. For starters, since Bitcoin pulled off its 69K all-time high, this chart shows how the asset has continued to show corrections whenever it's formed a local price top, and this situation looks to be following suit. And the thing is, trading volume doesn't appear to be showing bullish behavior either. Bitcoin has shown more sell-off peaks than anything, and its buying volume hasn't come close. But even with this FUD around inflation and a technical recession, and whether Bitcoin can continue its run or not, people like Binance CEO CZ Xiao says that it's these kinds of situations that drives people into adopting Bitcoin. Have a look at his interview with CNBC's Squawk on the Street.
First off, I guess I'm wondering why you think 20K-ish has been defended so well over the last couple of months.
Nobody knows for sure, but the last peak in 2017 was about 20K, and it's been below that for like a couple of years and been above that. So I think that's probably one of the reasons why there's a psychological barrier there.
You don't think it's more? There's nothing regarding money supply or the NASDAQ or some of the other correlations we read about that's at play this time?
I think all of those things factor in, but fundamentally the market it's a mass psychology market, right? Any trading market is mass psychology. So the last barrier, the last support, the last all-time high is probably the current all-time low. So that has support concept to it, yeah.
So what do you think is the catalyst then for the next big move in price, up or down? Is it about regulatory granularity or more institutional interest or return of the retail investor?
So that part, I don't think anyone can forecast very accurately. Nobody really forecasted NFTs, DeFi, etc., which probably drove the last bull run. Before that, in 2017, was mainly ICOs. 6 months before those things happened, very few people can forecast it. So for the next one, and now the market is so much bigger. There's so many more applications in the space. I'm not sure which one, but I think all of those things are moving in the positive direction. The regulatory landscape is shaping up to be quite well. Most countries are adopting regulatory frameworks. They're not banning Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. The macroeconomic situations, there's going to be high inflation. Let's talk about recessions, etc. All of those things drive adoption into Bitcoin or into crypto.
The Aave tribe has spoken, and the wheels are in motion to roll out a GHO stablecoin. The Aave community has voted in favor of having its own decentralized, collateral-backed stablecoin for the DeFi lending protocol that would be pegged to the US dollar and would allow users to mint the stablecoin against their own crypto assets. The next step in the process is for the Aave DAO to vote on the green light for GHO proposal, and this vote will run until July 31st. Sorry, Cardano Army, but the platform has hit the brakes on the highly anticipated Vasil Hard Fork. The mainnet upgrade was supposed to be scheduled for the end of July, but IOHK tech manager Kevin Hammond dropped the bomb that the upgrade has been delayed by at least a few more weeks. Cardano developer IOHK says that this delay is happening so the team can run more testing for a smoother launch. The Vasil Hard Fork is considered to be the biggest upgrade in Cardano's history, and it was originally intended to launch in June, but was pushed back to deal with a handful of network bugs. And lastly, Celsius Network has finally come out and confirmed an email leak that has put users at risk of phishing scams. The leak allegedly occurred on July 8th, when an employee of Celsius messaging provider Customer.io reportedly leaked customer emails to a third party. It's taken 3 weeks for Celsius to say much on the breach, but the DeFi lender that declared bankruptcy this month finally released a tweet on July 28th confirming the leak. Celsius Network says that the Customer.io employee allegedly behind the leak has been fired, but users are being warned of phishing emails asking for personal info or impersonating Celsius. The cherry on top is that users feel that Celsius is downplaying the leak, since the network says that the incident does not pose high risks to its clients, despite phishing emails being known to ask for personal keys and wallet info. That's it for Altcoin Buzz News Update. If you enjoyed this video and want more insights for your crypto investing, please smash the like, subscribe, and notification buttons to get all our latest content. And have a look at the other updates and deep dives on our channel. Here's some videos to get started with. As always, this is not financial advice, but we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Thanks for watching and see you next time.